Okay, so in this lesson, we are going to perform addition by breaking down values. Now, this is just another way of performing addition. I'm sure you can do all these in your head, more than likely. But what's important here is the process. So in this first one, we have 10 plus 34. So in this one, we start off with 10, but let's say we're not good at adding. Maybe we think this is too large for us or something. We can break this down into simpler numbers, a 30 and a 4. You can also break it up into 10, 10, 10, and 4, but let's just start off with 30 and 4. So we have 10, we're going to add 30, and we get 40. So we're done with the 30. And then we're going to add the 4, and we get 44. Now, if we should get the same answer if we do it the traditional procedure way. So 10 plus 34. I'm going to clean that up a little bit. All right, 10 plus 34. We get 4 and 40, 44. Let's look at another example. 45 plus 23. So let's break this 23 into 20 and 3. So we start off with 45. Let's add 20. We get 65. And then we will add the 3. And we get 68. Once again, we can add the traditional way if you prefer, but we'll get that same answer. Let's prove that. 45 plus 23. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. You don't have to show this. I'm just using it to show you that you get the same answer, and it's just a different method. All right, let's look at example 3, 15 plus 27. So I am going to start off with 15, and I can take away, or I can use 20 out of this 27. And I get 5 here and 3 here. So I end up with 35. Well, normally I took the 20, right? And I would add the 7 normally, right? So, but let's say I don't like this. I don't like adding 7. That makes me, I don't know, I'm uncomfortable with that. Then I can break this 7 up into a 5 and a 2. So plus 5 would be 40. And then plus the 2. And we get 42. Not too bad. So now I'm going to start to show you how, you don't have to show all this for your work. The whole point is to get you to be able to do it in your head a little faster, like these larger numbers. So I'm going to start off with 120. I'm just going to add 300. So 120 plus 300 is 420. I'm going to add this 40. So 420 plus 40 is 460. And if I add 5, I get 465. You can do the work like on example 3, or you can do the work in example 4. The whole point is to get you to do this quick in your head, but you do have to show something so I know what's going on in your head. So let's do it again. 1,234 plus 115. So let's start off with 1,234. I'm going to add 100. Oh, I was going to write it, but we don't have to. And we get 1,334. Then I'm going to add 10, and I get 1,344. There's so many 4s in these notes. And then I'm going to add 5, so 1,349. All right, last one. Remember, we can add in any order. So I'm going to start off with the 5,894. I'm going to add 100, so I get 5,994. And then I'm going to add 20. Ooh. So 20, well, there's 27. So maybe I should split this 27 up. I want to take away the 6, because that would get me to a nice number. And then there'd be 21 left over. We can go from there. If we had 6, that goes up, that goes up. So we end up, oh, and that goes up. 6,000. After we added that 6. And let's add the 21 remaining. 6,021. Okay, thank you.